Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video I'm gonna show different types of crochet home decoration ideas. I'm gonna show different types of crochet earrings, necklace, different jhumka designs, different locks, earrings and etc. It is very classy and unique ideas for yourself. You can make easily at home different types of stones necklace, stone jhumka designs, stone beautiful bali design, and you can see you can make easily at home for yourself, and you can share your friends and family members. And I hope you like my video. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members and do not forget to my YouTube channel. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.